This is not a test, this is by working by LRT and Cebu Pacific train, and the airplane is out of the control. Because somebody hacking, pilot of Cebu Pacific and the LRT train driver to stop this issue. The flight of the Cebu Pacific will cancel. Also alert train. Thank you for this challenging time. All plane is crashing down. In the train of LRT is colliding to each other. The government a state of emergency entire Metro Manila. Evacuate immediately. Caloocan, Quezon City.